welcome back to episode 32 of e-commerce today. This is a series of bite-sized programs keeping you up to date on interesting and relevant news in UK e-commerce. My name's John Hussey and I'm the founder of Developer Connection, the marketplace for professional connections between e-commerce stores and developers across the UK. In today's episode, we're talking about Google potentially combining schema markup and merchant center feed data, IKEA offering best practice insights into using AI effectively, and ASOS considering a potential return to the high street for Topshop. Google are looking at ways in which they can unify schema markup and merchant feed data for better consistency across product listings. The initiative was mentioned during a recent podcast and aims to form one-to-one parity between schema.org's open source standards and Google's merchant feed specification. No timescale has been given for any changes here, and Google are currently recommending merchants use both systems. AI for e-commerce was the focus of the Edge Summit in London this week, and during talks the chief architect for IKEA Retail offered some insights into using AI effectively in their business. They say they are using AI primarily in a customer-facing capacity, but also for increasing the efficiency of internal operations and helping them to meet their CO2 emissions targets. They were keen to point out that they are not replacing human creativity, but instead improving customer-facing processes that already exist. And finally today, ASOS have recently offloaded 75% of the Topshop and Topman brands to Danish fashion giant Bestseller. While there's been no guarantee on opening shops or how many, it's something that's certainly being considered alongside a confirmed relaunch of a dedicated Topshop online store by next summer. That's the end of today's episode. Thank you so much for watching, and please do like or comment if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you soon for the next UK e-commerce news roundup. In today's episode, we're talking about Google potentially combining schema markup and merchant data. Yeah, exactly that.